up, you guys? It's your girl, David Mac, back with a brand new video. What's up, Puro Gang Gang? How's everybody been? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is David Mac. Some of you guys probably know me as Puro Bailando on Instagram. This is my YouTube channel. I like to post more of my personal life. So if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. You won't regret it. Be a part of Puro Gang Gang and just get lit with us. So I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog, but I had mentioned that they stole my car, and because my stupid ass went to a 7-Eleven, I got a smoothie, somehow I lost my keys. Long story short, a crackhead stole my shit, okay? And I had said that I was gonna get a truck just because I really needed a truck at the time. I'm always going to the Coleadero everywhere. I'm always in the dirt, and then my friends are just passing me in their fucking trucks, and I'm just like in my little Nissan, like. So I got a truck. I'm about to show you guys right now. This is how I got it. Stock. Well, not stock, but this is how I got it out of the dealership. Look at this shit. Look at Michael. So guys, I got a Ram, Dodge Ram 2014. It's whatever. It's pretty cool.
You know what I'm saying? From the violet.
Woo! This is how I got it, guys. Straight out of the dealer. I did nothing to it. The only thing I did is I put this fresh ass sticker on there like bow. So don't talk, and before anybody's talking shit right now, check this out, alright? I'm not a racer, okay? I'm not in the bulls, alright? So before everybody's like, I'll spank you in my Chevy, I'll take you out of my GMC, alright? I don't race, alright? This is how it is. I came like this. I'm gonna lift it too, because I don't want it, all low. Plus I stay in the dirt all the time. I'm gonna lift it up. Don't try to race me, because I don't race, alright? I'm not trying to show off. So yeah guys, I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm not gonna make it too long just because I don't want to press some media and shit, but this is my truck. Thank you guys.
So when you see it, say what's up.
Don't race me. Hey guys, this is just how it is. We at Michael's house right now chilling. This is Michael's truck. Michael, show him up. This is his truck right here on fucking Pro Comp wheels.
Yep, my fucking work truck.
And then he has his Corvette over here.
Going out car right here.
Oh, it is?
Car.
He's a badass color, dude. Oh, this is the one I used to ride, you know?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it is.
Haven't rode one in a long time though.
No?
Is your horse big enough to ride yet?
I can't calibrate this shit, dog.
Look, the mailman comes over here.
Oh.
Damn, boy.
Get up! Hey, dude, you better back up, cuz I'll beat your ass. Let's just back up. He's out there greasing some shit. If not, my shit's gonna crash. So I don't know what the fuck.
Damn, that pose though.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
It's fucking hot, bro. Hurry up. I'm trying to bounce already. It's like 95. Almost 100 and shit. And we're over here in the sun. I'm over here flying my drone. Fuck that. Roxy!
I have 2 months off. 2 months off.
Alright guys, let me just give you a little quick what's gonna go down today. It's fucking hot. I'm gonna start by saying that outside. I'm gonna start by saying that. It's really hot outside. We're going to an event in Mariloma. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna go basic as fuck. I don't wanna go all like out cause it is hot outside. I'm gonna take a baño and shit cause I know I'm gonna be dripping sweat. It's in Mariloma. I guess they're having like fucking tamborazo, norteño, they're having banda. So we're gonna go check it out. Michael's going, Osmara's going. We're all gonna be there. The whole Puro Gang is gonna be there. Make sure you guys buy a shirt. Be a part of Puro Gang Gang. And I did want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. Michael, say what's up to all new subscribers, nigga.
What's up to all new subscribers?
Guys, we're gaining fucking fast. Like I legit remember when I was at 2,000, like 1,000 subscribers, and now we're hitting 20K.
And he didn't want to show his face. I know he wanted to show his face. Like, no, wait till 10,000 and show your face.
I started Puro Bailando back like in 2016.
People don't know who I
was super shy of saying who I really was. Like I didn't want to tell people who I was. who was running the account, just because, you know, I was embarrassed. I don't want people to not take me serious, you know what I mean? But then this guy was like, you know what? Just show your face, cuz. And I was like,
10 though, give him some time.
And then from 10K, we just slowly started growing quick. Well, pretty fast. And here we are. We're on YouTube now, so. They go for Orlando just got here. What?
That's my boyfriend.
Alright guys, so we just got to the ice cream shop right now. Came to pick up some shirts. So I came to get an agua fresca. Cause I'm looking kind of thirsty. Lupe, what's crack again?
Saludos a todos.
Hola. Siempre me grabas.
¿Y qué tiene?
Conocer la doña Rosy.
Un saludo para toda la gente de Puro Bailando. Aquí de parte de la mamá de Puro Bailando.
Alright, so Michael's wearing the OG black Puro shirt, but I figured I'd give him, hasn't even been released yet, color. So put it on, Michael, see how it looks. You know, we're just spin and just put it on. How about that? Ready? Let me see it. See the back. Damn, bro, that shit looks fresh as fuck. Let's go, let's go. Pink. Damn. Hey. Oh, who's that over there? Damn, who's that over there? Oh my God, it's Osmara. Dude, it's Osmara from Puro Bailando.
Hey,
Half of the day, show him.
You feel me? We got them exotics, you feel?
Alright.
We got them Ariat. We got the PB shirt, nigga. Get yours now. We got it, totally know her.
Clean.
damn, that felt hard.
Alright guys, so Michael's feeling kind of dehydrated and like he has a headache. Tell him why. Because he drank a beer earlier and he didn't eat.
I'm still gonna try to make the best of it.
AKA vueltas.
AKA vueltas, hit me up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Get that shit. We are reporting here live, baby. Oh, yup. With all these people over here. Yup. Saludos a quién?
Smiley, a Puro Bailando.
Puro Bailando. Saludos a quién?
Puro Bailando.
Puro Bailando. Yeah.
Gang, 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 gang.
Puro gang gang.
Puro gang.
Ahora. Birthday shot.
pretty drunk right now. That always happens when I record.
Look, it takes him 30 minutes to get it.
I always drink and then I give my camera to Osmara because I can't vlog. So.
Oh shit. Neta? Okay, this way he comes to the fucking party in 30 minutes. He's already drunk.
Alright.
What's up, man? We out here, you feel me? Had to take a little fucking break and shit to blow my nose because of fucking tierra. But we out here, man. We making it, boys. I love you guys with all my heart. Fucking David and Michael. You guys are my niggas for life. And puro bailando a la verga. Solo se mueve peludo. Oh! One shot for who?
Shout out for Puro Bailando.
Oh yeah. Motherfucker. Salsa micheladas.
Ponte verga.
Damn, culo. Saludos a quién?
A toda la raza, güey.
A toda la raza de quién?
Allá de Oaxaca, la verga.
De Oaxaca.
De Oaxaca, dice. Alright guys, so it's the next day of the event. Long story short, my stupid ass got drunk like always. But you guys know I have vlogs where I end the vlog myself, and then there's other vlogs where I just don't even end it at the party just because I get drunk. Today was one of those vlogs, you know, shit happens. But shout out to Osmara, she took over the video and she got some sick ass footage for you guys. So but other than that guys, that's gonna wrap up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment down below like always, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Before I end the vlog, I forgot to mention, so I guess companies watch my vlog sometimes and they had seen that my mom comes out of my vlogs and they wanted to send something to my mom, so she's like super happy right now. A ver, ma.
Muchas gracias a esta compañía que me mandó este regalo. Déjame mirar a ver qué es.
¿Qué te dieron?
A ver. Mandó esta hebilla muy bonita. Me la voy a poner para lucirla.
A ver. Oh, shit is nice.
Está muy bonita. Muchísimas gracias por mandármela. Me la voy a poner. Le voy a poner el cinto y lo voy a lucir. Muchísimas gracias. Quiero mandar un saludo para Perlas Longhorn. Que vayan a comprar, encárguenles. Estas hebillas están muy bonitas.
Same.
Vayan a comprar.
Yeah, guys, they're really nice. They're like custom buckles that they make. It's like a buckle with like rocks and flowers for girls. They make more nice accessories, wristbands. So check them out. Peerless Longhorns. Todo, ¿verdad?
Todo, muchas gracias.